Hi and welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it, and I do hope you're going to enjoy the videos you're going to see. I just wanted to explain to you how the videos were organised on the website. Now if you go onto a website page here, we've got Photoshop Beginner's Essential Skills, and if you scroll down a little bit we'll get to the videos. And the first one here, there's a white arrow in the middle here, and that's the play button. If you click on that, you'll play that video. Now if you go up to the left hand corner here, the top corner, and just hover over it, it tells you the playlist name, because these are organized into playlists. So there's more than one video and they're like hidden underneath. And this here says playlist 1 Beginner's Essential Skills Introduction. But it says 1/1. This means there's only one video in this playlist, so that's fine. But if we scroll a little bit further down, we get to the second module 2, and module 2, we'll see again it's got the play button, so you can start with that video if you like. But if you want to see what else is in this playlist, then if you hover over the top corner here, that left hand corner again, then you've got playlist module 2, the interface and preferences, but this time it says 1/5, and this means there's 5 in the playlist. So if I click on that now, it brings out the 5 videos, or however many videos there are in that playlist. And so you can pick out the ones that you want to go back to, or I can just click the X and then scroll down to another playlist. Okay, that's it. I hope you enjoy the videos. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.